Are you ready for Unfunchers with Luth? Let's go!
Meet Luth, a bright, curious boy with a backpack full of dreams and a heart that beats for adventure. Every day, Luth sets off to explore the wonders of the world, from whispering forests and playful rivers to hidden caves and starry skies. But here's the best part, kids can join him on every journey. Along the way, they'll learn English words, discover amazing animals, count and solve fun math puzzles, explore the beauty of nature and colors, and uncover all sorts of exciting secrets about the world. With Luth, learning feels like magic, one adventure at a time.
Hooray! Let's learn and laugh today. Colors, animals, counting too. Now design a country time with me and you.
Hi, I am Luth. Let's learn and do an adventures around the world with me.